So these are the diaries of a goat farmer, and today, remember, I just want to talk to you about something that's important. I've shown you videos before about what you should have for the animals, but what about the people taking care of the animals? What should we make sure we have at the farm just to take care of the people that are there in case something happens? We're in Africa, and one of the things that can happen is snakes. I mean, we've got so many snakes that can be moving around here. Also, I mean, just the other day when I was coming to the farm, I saw two snakes, while driving. And then also people can get injured. The last week, I just got a call, someone fell and they were actually injured. So basically, what should we have at every farm that can help save a life? So what I'm going to talk about first is some antivenom. So this is the box. It's a polyvalent antivenom. So basically, you have this at the farm so that in cases where someone is bitten by a snake, it's easy for you to actually direct them to the clinic, and someone can do an intravenous injection. You know, uh, like sometimes I can actually do these injections, but like even if you don't have a doctor on site, you can just go to the nearest clinic and you go with the antivenom, and this is polyvalent, so it can work on many snakes. And some of the symptoms to watch out for if someone is bitten by a snake. Remember, snakes have got two types of venom. One is neurotoxic and one is hemotoxic. So the neurotoxic one is the one that affects the muscles. So basically, death will result because there will be respiratory failure. Because the muscles that are used to actually control respiration, they are paralyzed, and then someone dies like that. And then the hemotoxic one, it affects bleeding. So someone can start bleeding. So basically, this vaccine now is just immunoglobulin. So it actually is an antivenom, so it can help to prevent those symptoms. So the sooner that you give this, the better. So this is about handling snake bites at the farm. And what else do we have in our first aid box? So we have some bandages, that anyone can use. So make sure you've got bandages there. Then we've got some gloves so that people can use it. And then we've got things here like your cannulas, injections. We've got some medication, simple painkillers like your paracetamol. We've got simple painkillers that we put in here just to make sure that it can really help someone. And then these are spirited swabs. So this is a swab with spirit. So before you prick any person, you need to make sure that you swab the place and you clean it out. So basically, and then we've got like a surgical blade as well, So basically, these are the things that you really need, and then your betadine and things like that. So these are the things that you need for your first aid kit at the farm, so that you are taking care of the human beings that are at the farm. So guys, remember to to share our chat, share, and comment below. I mean, what's been your experience wherever you are? If you experienced injuries at the farm, and how have you actually handled them? So guys, thank you for watching. These are the diaries of a goat farmer. Bye for now.